For my first video, we're going to start my 2003 Dodge van. So we head outside. By the way, we were just in Harry's Pizza. That's my pizza shop. Gas is 78.9 today. You know what? It hasn't been that low since I was a child. Wait a minute. That was last Tuesday. So we just leave my parking lot and head out to where I put my truck. Like I said, an 03. I don't know how many kilometers. It's got a good battery in it though. Let's see now. Got some juice. Oh, paper works. How many kilometers? I don't know if you can see that out there. 386,228. Throttle's not stuck. Got brake pressure. It's alive! Gotta love your Dodge. Oil pressure's coming up. Sweet. Maybe someday you'll see me take this thing out on the trail.